Okay, now let's take a start. Speaking part one. The topic is animals, so
Yes.
there are some general questions. Do you like animals?
Yes, I am like
I like.
I like
I am like animals means मैं जानवरों की तरह हूँ. Okay, now you should see what you want to say. I like animals.
yes, I like animals. They are very unique and
Unique
they are very unique and most beautiful
creature
creature of nation
of God.
of God. That is why I am like
I am like animals. मैं जानवरों की तरह means मैं डंगर हूँ. No, you don't want to say that, okay? I like animals.
I like animals.
If I say I am like you, मैं भी आपकी तरह हूँ. Not like this, okay? Let's go on. What is your favorite animal and why?
My favorite animal is dog. Dog is a very loyal animal and a good companion to a man. We feel good with them. That is why I like dog.
Okay, all right. Let's go on. What is your favorite wild animal, like lion, tiger, bear? What is your favorite wild animal?
Uh, Markhol is my favorite animal. It found in northern.
It is found in northern areas.
It is found in the northern area and it is also a national animal of Pakistan. I like it because it is very sharp and run very fast.
It runs very fast
It run
on
very
the
fa-
mountains.
on the mountain.
Okay, now you should check on Google what is the English of markhor. Okay, it's a kind of deer, but you should see what is the proper language for that. Markhor is not English word. Okay,
Yes, sir.
let's go on. Are people in your country fond of animals?
Yes, in my country, many people found animals.
Many people are fond of animals.
Many
Means they like animals.
Many people like animals, rabbits, cats, dogs, etc. For different purposes. Some people grow them for farms and protect them. And answer to your question is
To answer your question, a lot of people like animals in my country.
yes, sir.
Okay, let's go on. Do you think pets are important?
Yes, I think pets are very important. It gives the help.
They give help
They give the help in reduce stress.
to reduce stress.
To reduce stress, and we feel not alone with them.
We don't feel alone in the company of pets.
We don't feel alone in the company of pets. Therefore, it is very important.
Therefore, they are very important. Pets. If it is singular pet, then you say it is very important.
Yeah.
If you say pets, then they are very important.
They are very important.
All right, thank you very much. Now let's move on. I'm going to ask you some questions. Speaking part one. What was the dream job for you when you were young?
When I was in my teenage, I wanted to be a doctor because of my surrounding. In my family, there are most of doctors, and I get motivated from them.
I got motivated.
I got motivated from them, so that's why.
So to answer your question, becoming a doctor was my dream job when I was little. Okay. Have you changed your mind on your dream job?
Yes, when I grew up.
When I grew up.
When I grew up, I have changed my mind because I found it very expensive, and I have to put a large amount of time and do a lot of hard work, which was totally against according to my.
Okay. What do you plan to do in the future?
Well, I would like to be a HR manager in my future because I would love to explore and want to communicate with different type of peoples and want to tackle challenges and.
Okay. What kind of jobs are popular in your country?
Well, nowadays due to COVID, IT and computer jobs are very on peak in my country because employees can work from their home and where they are easy and where they are comfortable to do so with the help of their gadgets.
Okay. Have you had full-time or part-time job?
Yes, when I passed out after graduation, I do a job.
I did a job.
I did a job which was full time because I wanted to get some experience and want some money as well.
And wanted to earn some money
Wanted
as
to
well.
earn.
Overall, your answers are good. Just try to focus your tenses, grammar, and fluency is good. Use a variety of words. You'll be fine. Right? Thank you very much.